guys, as you see, we are in a supermarket, Lulu supermarket. So today we're gonna be shopping in one color. Okay? So this is how it works. I will say colors in my mind, and that colors, which one my mother says stop, that's the color she'll be buying. And in fact, I to make it fair, I made her also do the same thing to me. So let's start.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Green.
Green color.
First, you're gonna be doing it to me. You have to say colors in your mind and I'll say stop. Okay?
Okay.
3, 2.
Red.
Yes! That'll be easy. So now, as you see, we got our colors. And my mother's color is green. You're lucky you can buy vegetables. And probably some sweet or anything. I don't know what I'll find. Red color. Cherry, strawberry or something. I'll just see. How about lychee? No, it's in red.
Not red color.
Yes, it
How
is
about
from
apple? Apple is healthy.
No. No, guys.
I
We
hope
also-
it fits in my budget.
Wait a second. There's a twist.
What?
The twist is that I'll be saying different budgets in my head and you have to say stop. I can't wait for this. This is gonna be funny. So let's start. 3, 2.
3, 2, 1. Stop.
Your budget is
color?
50.
50?
Your budget is 50.
15 or 50?
50, 50.
Yeah, but that is a huge budget. I don't want to spend that much.
I wish I will get 100.
No.
I want 100. I'll buy a little million
So it's my
toys.
turn to say the budget now?
Yeah.
My turn. My turn.
okay. So, what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna see what's my budget. Okay, starting 3, 2, 1.
40.
40, that will be enough for me.
40 is too much.
Exactly, that's why I like it. So
So we have
let's
to
see
find-
what I can
we have to
find with.
the green color and red color, right?
Yes, mine is red, yours is green.
So where is the red color show?
Let's see.
Green is there.
Oh, this is yours. You can buy some cucumber.
I don't want that. I don't want
This is the only thing in green.
I don't want that.
Okay. This is red. But I'm not buying that. You have green.
I don't want that.
Tomatoes.
Rather I buy some fruits. Come.
Okay, let's go search for fruits then. So many things in our color, you just don't want to buy it. So I'm gonna be searching for my color while you search for your color. So I'm gonna be with them.
My color is green or red?
Green. Mine is red. I'm gonna search for green. Let's start. Ooh, Coca-Cola is kinda red, but it's too much. It'll go about my budget. So let's go. Where?
Okay, well, there is one
Strawberry
twist.
ice cream?
It has to be healthy food, not junk food.
No,
Yes.
it can be junk food. There was no rules about that.
No. There is a
There
rule.
was no rules
Then
about
I'm not playing this game. I'm not playing this
There
game.
is no rules.
There are rules.
No, junk food is also allowed, so not too much. Depends on your budget. Okay, so guys, I have not found anything yet.
You know what? I saw one ice cream which is viral online. You want to see that ice cream?
Yes,
Come,
please. Come in.
This one.
There's no way. But I can't buy it sadly. I'm not orange. I have to be.
This is a mango. I would want to taste this. This is so viral over online. I'm gonna taste this. Do you see any red color here?
I'm seeing, but no, I don't find any red color. I only find chocolate and strawberry and vanilla. I need to find.
Find out the time is going to end soon. Fine.
Oh no. I need to find something in red. What is possible in red? Wait. I just got one thing. Mango's kinda reddish, so I guess I could
that is yellow, orange. I don't know some color. Yellow.
Oh,
It is should be red color. You said red color.
red color, red color. There's barely anything in red color. You already found one thing. I have zero things.
I took one healthy food, which is custard apple, green color.
I guess I could also get a healthy food. I'll get some apples.
Apples. Come on, chop, chop, chop. Time is up. Only 10 seconds.
This. No. I barely found anything. Wait. You're lying.
No, yeah. Why will I lie?
10 seconds can't be it. I had 10 minutes. It
No.
just started few minutes ago. We started.
Fine. Then you find other red color if you have.
I
Okay,
need
one red apple is there.
apple we will buy.
Then what?
We will both buy one sugary fruit.
Hmm?
We both can buy at least one sugary fruit.
You don't see any red color over here?
No.
Other than apple?
Yeah, nothing.
It is so
else.
strange. There is a lot of oranges and greens and
I know, right? I have to buy quick else time will run out. Can you help me?
okay, what do you want?
So I want some apple.
So take it. So you took it?
Yes. I guess this much is enough. Now I need to go and
Find one more red.
I need to find a lot of things which is in my budget. Guys, as you know, actually my budget was not 40. It was just
15.
yeah, it was just 15.
So how much is this cost? Go and check how much weight it is. Go.
Wait, it's written there.
That is 1 kg. This is not 1 kg. Go.
Not yet, but I need to get some fresh apples. USA, I like Indian apples, but it's fine. I guess we could buy one of these. Is this purple?
Yeah.
Let's buy one. Not this one. Not this one.
Check the cost. How much is it?
Already 580.
Okay. Put now you have 10
I have
dirham.
10 more dirhams.
Yeah.
We have to buy something very healthy and also sugary.
Healthy and sugary.
Yeah, but
What
there's
is that?
nothing in that, so I guess I'll just buy sugary.
I knew it. You're going to buy junk food only.
Okay, guys. So I need to find something fast. I only have 10 minutes, so we have to go fast. Wait, strawberry
I took-
ice cream is red.
I found my green color. I bought a fruit.
You're so lucky. Well, I don't have any yet. But strawberry ice cream is kind of red. No, that's too big. It's already 20, half of 40. Nah. Kit Kat is red. Okay, this is just 6 dirham. This will be fine. I'll buy it in the last.
Is it sure? It is 19.95, which is out of your budget. Your budget is only 10 dirhams now.
I should have known. Well, I need to find something. Let's go to candy section. There's a lot of less budget. I guess I could buy something. Oh, Pushpa.
Pushpa? It's
Six
push
dirham.
pop.
It's too much. We have to buy something which we can eat very amazing. Oh my god, this is 9. That's almost half of my budget. I mean, full of my budget. Black.
Jia,
Ah,
time is going to over now.
oh no. Wait, Kit Kat, just remember. Kit Kat is that color. No, not these ones. Normal, not this dark one.
Okay.
Okay,
Tick
so,
tick 1,
Tick.
tick tick 2,
Uh,
tick tick 3,
there's a normal one.
tick tick
Yes,
4,
found them.
tick tick 5, tick tick 7, tick tick
Okay.
8, tick tick 9, tick tick 10.
No.
Done. Your time is over.
No,
Okay,
it's
let's see
not.
how much you took that color. Apple. Apple and
I have this.
apple and Kit Kat.
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay.
Wait.
What?
Oh.
Momos? But it's not red color.
But from inside it is.
Show me.
See the borders? It's from inside.
Okay, so momos. How many you want?
I think so. I just have butter chicken one. I'll have 6.
Okay. So done for the day? The challenge is over?
The challenge is not over till the timer runs out.
No,
So,
timer is over. Now we go home and
we
check
have
what all
20
we have
seconds
bought.
left. Do tick tick tick.
Okay, I'm gonna count now. Your time is gonna already over, but I'm giving you second chance. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3,
After
tick
order,
4,
it stops.
tick tick 5, tick tick 7, tick tick 8, tick tick 9, tick tick 10. You lost
No, I have
momos.
10. No, I have 10 more seconds. I told 20.
But the 10 we already utilized before. This is the second time I'm telling
Yeah,
tick
but
tick
you
1, tick tick
can-
2.
You can have 20.
Okay, anyways, it's okay. You can have
count,
it.
You can count 10 more.
So you don't have momos
Count
now?
10 more.
Why?
Because I told 20, not 10.
Okay, tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick
Excuse
3,
me.
tick tick 4, tick tick 5, tick tick 7.
There's still 10 more to go.
No.
Yes.
Tick tick 8,
There. No. Excuse me. Momos.
tick tick 9,
How many pieces?
and tick tick 10.
6.
Finally, you got your momos.
Corinda?
Butter chicken momos.
Finally.
And she only bought 1.
It's okay. I want to save money. I believe in saving money.
Well, I have to save some money. I have still
Yeah, your budget was 40 and you utilized how much? 20.
50.
No, more than 20, no?
No, the timer was more than 20.
So let's go home.
Yeah. Also, guys, please subscribe and like and smash the bell button to notification. Bye, guys. We put the food in home. So yeah, meet you guys when we reach home.